Hey, what's up everybody? This is Darwin, and in this video I'm going to be breaking down EurJpy. This is actually one of the trades that I called out for the group last night. I believe it was around, I think 11, maybe 12. I can't remember. But anyways, I'm going to break down this pair real quick and show you guys what I seen is the reason why we actually took a buy, and we're currently floating, I believe 80 plus pips, but we have multiple orders, so those pips kind of add up. So first things first, let's just start from a bigger time frame. When we actually had took the buy, we actually caught this whole entire candle right here. When we actually took this buy, this bull candle was not bullish, it was actually a bear candle. So I'm going to continue to break it down. You're just looking at what's happened over the last day. So breaking it down into the 4 hour, you see that on this time frame we have a nice level of resistance right here. Right here, once price fell beneath it, it treated this like a level of resistance, a strong level of resistance at that. So that's one of the first things that I noticed when I was looking at this pair. Also, you could see a nice little zone right here throughout this whole entire area, like so. And that automatically let me know, like, okay, it could possibly go bullish because this zone right here is acting like a nice demand zone. Excuse me. So seeing that, you can start to break things down into a smaller time frame. Once that level of resistance was broken with this candle that formed right here, that's letting us know that whenever you see these big candles, they break something usually. Break support, break resistance, they break something. So after seeing that, and then actually didn't see that happen, but when I actually got on the charts last night, I seen price right here at this level. So I automatically take a trend line like this, and you start to see price is starting to create nice higher low points this whole entire time along this area. And you break it down into the 1 hour time frame. At the 1 hour time frame, it's not where I actually entered. I entered on a smaller time frame. I believe it might have been the 5 or the 15. I'll go over and make sure, but in this whole area is at a 38.2 retracement level. We'll go from this low right here up into this high, and you start to see price dancing around that 38.2 retracement level. So let me change this color. So we actually have a nice zone right here, nice demand zone. Then we also have a 38.2 retracement level. And let's keep breaking it down to a smaller time frame. Oh, before we go into a smaller time, one thing I also identified that helped me determine this buy is that this is actually trading within a rectangle. Rectangles trade like this. So you can see how prices is pretty much ranging between 129 around 500, 129 500, all the way down to 128 500 range. Price is just jumping back and forth in between that range. But the thing that has me holding this trade overall is that this level of resistance was broken, and now it has a level of support. If you look right here over to the left, you see that throughout this area, this whole level of resistance from here down was pretty much like a free fall. So when it breaks into this area once more, I don't think it's gonna have a hard time going bullish because it was like a free drop, so possibly a free rise right here in this area. So we're still holding on to our entries. We got in around 128 700 to be exact. 700, 128. Some people got in 128 20, areas like that. Keep breaking this down. Hold 1 second. So before I go down, a rectangle discovered in an uptrend usually results in an upward push. It's an uptrend because this area was broken. So a lot of people can measure this a couple different ways. You can measure it by grabbing a trend line and measuring the distance of the rectangle, boom, to give you your overall TP, and it kind of goes up into this resistance level once more, aligning also with a negative 27% based off the 1 hour time frame. So this whole entire zone could be looked at as the next level of TP if it does happen to break out of this area. As you see, like, this area of support is still being respected right now. So until it breaks beneath that area, you can still look for some type of bullish activity. Going down into a smaller time frame to snipe out the entries, right here, as you guys see on the 30-minute time frame, you get a nice little print right here. That nice little bullish engulfing lets us know that price was ready at that time, and it was also create a higher low. So boom, popped in an entry immediately. I think it was less than 20 minutes. It jumped up that much. It went all the way to 90 something pips, but then now it's been fluctuating between 60 something and 80 something pips right now. And stop losses were set below the rectangle, of course, getting everything completely out of the way, keeping your trades protected the whole entire time. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this pair. We're just waiting to see how it rides out, how it actually plays out. I still have it going bullish overall, long term, even if it does decide to come and bounce back down. Just longer vision, I see it going bullish. Daily candle still bullish currently. You know what I'm saying? Nice little bullish engulfing, printed off this daily level of support right here, which is a pretty nice setup, and engulfed 3 candles completely. So that's a good thing. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this helped you guys out breaking down your pairs. I will be posting this or adding this to my YouTube channel and a couple Telegram groups that I'm a part of as well. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.